Hello students and welcome to today's geology class. तो आज आ गुटे हेंता genetic disorder विषय टी discuss करना. This is thalassemia. Thalassemia is also another genetic disorder which is caused due to mutation. It is also blood related disorder as like sickle cell anemia that we have seen. So sickle cell anemia अंदर देखी थी ना इटा भी हेंता type का गुटे genetic disorder है. भी hemoglobin molecule mutate ही जैसी because of a mutation in its gene. As a result, abnormal hemoglobin produce हवा और RBC रो shape size change ही जवा. Sickle cell anemia देखला सेटा sickle से भी इतला but abnormal RBC produce हवा and as a result it will not be able to carry oxygen and will cause physiological problems. Okay, so let us see what actually this disease thalassemia is. Thalassemia काना है? Thalassemia is an autosomal recessive disorder where due to mutation of genes, abnormal hemoglobin molecule are produced and the number of RBC is decreased. So as I told you कि इटा भी गुटे हंता genetical disorder है जंता मैं आगरू देखी थिला और काना इटा autosomal recessive disorder है. Mostly I'm a sex linked inheritance when we are looking specifically in sickle cell anemia we have seen that that is autosomal recessive disorder similar to this, but you'll find कि recessive disorders can also be allosomal. माने से माने XY chromosome रे भी transmit हैसन जनता hemophilia रे में देखते हैं, but this one is through autosome. तो इनो कारण है सी mutation of the genes abnormal hemoglobin molecule are produced. माने abnormal hemoglobin molecule produce हेबे आउ RBC रो number decrease ही जुआ. So it is also quite similar to that of the anemia condition जिनटा हमें देखु जो कि RBC रो number टा decrease है जैसे, ठीक है? But difference बोले ऐसे difference between sickle cell anemia and thalassemia you'll find it here. The defect in gene of A chain of hemoglobin results in alpha thalassemia. Now सेथिरा हमें देखी तला कि खाली बीटा चेन रे जदि म्यूटेशन हैला बेले सेटा तमोर sickle cell anemia की लीड करसी. But here you will find that two different kinds of thalassemia can be observed. जदि A chain रो gene hemoglobin gene रे किसी defect हैला तो alpha thalassemia हवा. And if there is defect in the gene of B chain, that results in the beta thalassemia. So there are two different chains, chain A, chain B. So thalassemia can occur in both the chains. If it occurs in chain A, hemoglobin gene is disrupted, then it causes alpha thalassemia. But if the hemoglobin gene of B chain is disrupted, then the beta thalassemia occurs. So this is where it becomes different from that of sickle cell anemia. Now such changes occur due to mutation. तो कहाँ हैला जे हेसी टाइटा हेसी mutation लगे. Okay, thalassemia can either have be having a defective gene in one of the chromosome. जेतेला हमें गोटे homologous pair of chromosome देखु जो homologous pair रो जदि खाली गुटे chromosome रे खंता किछि defect रहला बेले सेटा lead करबा to thalassemia minor. Remember our chromosomes are always present in the form of pair, so बोले pair form रे थिसन. Our genes माने भी allelic थिसन. That means कि one gene if it is present on one of the homologous chromosome, the contrasting character or the contrasting pair of gene will be present on the other chromosome, other homologous chromosome. But if there is a mutation in one of the gene, दुही homologous gene रो कथा नहीं कवर, तो गुटे homologous gene रे defect होचे. माने let's take the example. Suppose इटा गुटे हला तमर chromosome, if this is a chromosome, ई chromosome रे जदि ई जगह रे तमर hemoglobin gene अच्छे, hemoglobin gene अच्छे. Now suppose खाली गुटे chromosome रे जदि mutation हला, if the mutation occurs only at one point, suppose it is occurring at only this specific gene, okay, that will cause thalassemia minor. But if it is occurring in both the genes, this gene as well as this gene, if that kind of a mutation is taking place, then that will be called as thalassemia major. Okay, the defective gene in both homologous chromosome and is called as thalassemia major or Cooley's anemia. That is also called as Cooley's anemia. There's another term for it. Cooley's anemia bhi koha hai si. Okay, so this is what your thalassemia is all about. So it is autosomal recessive. So its inheritance pattern bhi henta kar hava. It will be quite similar to that of your sickle cell anemia. You will find ki homozygous condition rahave, heterozygous hala carrier hava. The same pattern. There is no much difference. Okay. So this disease thalassemia. Just you can write a short note on it. Students just follow what is mentioned on the screen किसी एक्स्ट्रा तुमको करवार नहीं नो नोट्स माने डायरेक्टली एतरु नहीं जाओ you don't have to write extra notes for this. Okay, now thalassemia minor is commonly seen in Southeast Asia and Southern Africa. तो केनो एटा बहुत डोमिनेंटली देखा देसी दुईटा कॉन्टिनेंट देखा देसी कुटेला साउथ ईस्ट एशिया और दा साउदर्न अफ्रीका एक्चुअली साउथ ईस्ट अफ्रीका भी कहि पारमा बिकॉज़ खाली साउथ अफ्रीका ने से साउथ ईस्ट अफ्रीका रे भी इतार इफेक्ट टिके देखा देसी सी मोस्ट ऑफ द डिजीजेस दैट यू विल बी लर्निंग तो मैं देखो कि डिजीजेस माने थ्रू आउट द वर्ल्ड केतरा स्पेसिफिक लोकेशन मन को एसी लाइक मलेरिया देखो ट्रॉपिकल और सब ट्रॉपिकल एरिया मन को बेसी हेबार चांसेस रहउछे तो मैं देखो कि मलेरिया एंड द डिजीज बेसी टुवर्ड्स द पोलर रीजन नहीं हुए तो हेंता डिजीज मान पर तांकर अलगा अलगा जियोग्राफिकल डिविजन्स माने थिसी तो इटा हला दुईटा जियोग्राफिकल रेंज जेनो कि थैलासीमिया माइनर देखवा के मिलसी साउदर्न अफ्रीका और साउथ ईस्ट अफ्रीका कोहि पारो एंड साउथ ईस्ट एशिया how actually this looks like what is the you can say picturesque description तो इना तुम screen रे display होचे देखो now these are normal RBC WBC and platelets okay so here you will find that the RBC is concave biconcave and circular disc like whereas the WBC is generally they are colorless white they circulate in the blood but when there is a thalassemia patient you will find that the RBC the shape abnormal ही है not sickle shape जनता में sickle cell anemia देखते हैं sickle shape नहीं हुए okay it has a different kind of form ताकि हमें malformed RBC को ऐसा this kind of RBC cells are called as malformed RBC so they will lose oxygen carrying capacity and they will cause different kind of metabolic disorders okay now this is an inheritance pattern given here तो इनो देखो जन कोन कोथली homologous chromosome गुटे green और गुटे red designate कराई छे the green one is normal gene and the red one is affected gene okay now suppose father is having one gene affected and mother is also having one gene affected mean both of them are carrier so you'll find that one girl child will be completely normal with no effect of gene one male child will have a heterozygous condition another female child will have heterozygous condition and one male child will be suffering from severe anemia because homozygous recessive condition रे तात्रे देखा दबा माने दुही affected gene ता दुही chromosome रे खोले जबा okay so this is thalassemia major जेतले दुही gene ता affected होचे ताके मैं thalassemia major होजो किंतु यहाँ देखो child number 2 और child number 3 इमाने गुटे गुटे gene affected होचे that means they are thalassemia minor specifically beta thalassemia इमान को केन टाइप रो thalassemia हिचे इमान कोटा होचे beta thalassemia carriers कितने 50% ठीक है so this is how their inheritance pattern goes so this is about one such genetic disorder which is called as thalassemia in the next class we will move on to the further topics thank you